Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These will be essential for the maintenance process. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, remove the filter cover located at the back of the device. This is typically secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the filter. Now, take your soft brush and gently clean the filter. This step is crucial as a clogged filter can significantly reduce the efficiency of your hairdryer. If you notice any debris or dust, ensure you remove it thoroughly. After brushing, use a slightly damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the filter area, ensuring no residue is left behind. If you find that the filter is particularly dirty, you may want to wash it under lukewarm water. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. Remember, a clean filter not only improves performance, but also extends the life of your device. Once the filter is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble the cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic. Now let's move on to the internal components. If you feel comfortable, you can open the main casing of the dryer. This typically involves removing a few more screws, which can be done with your Phillips screwdriver. However, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Inside, check for any loose connections or visible dust buildup. Use your soft brush to gently clean any accessible areas. Be cautious not to touch any electrical components directly. If you notice any damaged wires or components, it's best to stop here and consult a professional. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. After cleaning, carefully reassemble the casing, ensuring all screws are replaced and tightened. Finally, plug your Dyson HD hairdryer back in and test it. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it heats up properly. If everything seems in order, congratulations, you've successfully maintained your hairdryer. However, if you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Our services include no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get your device serviced. Regular maintenance will keep your Dyson HD hairdryer in top condition, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.